Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the Pinblock Freestyle Metallic 1000-piece building blocks, one of the most innovative construction toys out there. If you're looking to spark creativity, enhance problem-solving skills, and provide endless fun for kids and adults alike, this is the set you need. Pinblock isn't your typical building block set. Unlike traditional blocks, Pinblock features a unique rounded shape that makes it easier to connect and create complex structures with precision. Whether you're building 3D models, pixel art, or wearable designs, these blocks allow for an incredible range of possibilities. What sets it apart is the way the blocks interlock. They're designed in a way that you don't have to worry about losing pieces, which means no stepping on sharp blocks in the middle of the night. The Pinblock Freestyle Metallic set comes with 1,000 pieces in 5 vibrant colors, including metallic shades that add a sleek, shiny look to your creations. This set isn't just for building, it's an entire creative experience. The blocks are perfect for developing both fine motor skills and creativity, making it a great choice for children, but also ideal for adults looking for a fun, stress-relieving way to engage their mind. Another standout feature is the included idea sheet and access to online tutorial videos, making it easy to get started, even for beginners. Whether you want to follow step-by-step guides or simply freestyle your own designs, the resources provided will help you unlock your full potential. The set is also ideal for team building or group activities, where you can collaborate with friends or family to make impressive models together. Pinblock isn't just a toy, it's a platform for creativity. From detailed sculptures to abstract designs, the blocks let you bring any idea to life. Plus, the high-quality materials ensure that these blocks will last for years, withstanding even the most enthusiastic builds. Now, let's talk about ease of use. The single-piece design means that your creations stay intact, and you don't have to worry about fiddling with tiny connectors or pieces that don't fit. It's as simple as placing the blocks together and watching your imagination take shape. Parents will love this as well because the rounded shape means no painful stepping on sharp, tiny pieces in the dark. And if you're wondering about the fun factor, it's off the charts. Pinblock opens up a world of possibilities for both kids and adults. It's an engaging, hands-on way to spend hours being creative. The blocks are perfect for building models, pixel art, or even wearable accessories, giving you a versatile play experience that never gets old. Whether you're a parent looking to get your child a gift that inspires creativity, or you're simply someone who loves to build and create, the Pinblock Freestyle Metallic set is an excellent choice. With its unique design, stunning metallic colors, and endless possibilities, it offers great value for anyone looking to push their creative boundaries. That's it for today's review of the Pinblock Freestyle Metallic 1000-piece building blocks. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.